Hi everyone, this is Dave from RVTriking.com. We have a 30 amp system on our travel trailer, and we had a plug uh, that was separating from the cable. So we knew we had to do a replacement. We've heard that there's a problem about doing that. So that's what we're going to talk about on this video. So just stay tuned. So the problem that we heard about was the mouse hole. Simply put, the replacement plugs that for these cables would not fit inside the mouse hole. Well, we did find one. Um, Ours had separated from the cable and just didn't look safe to me, so we thought we would order one in. We did locate one, and it fits completely in this mouse hole. This is the unit that we have, and we do have a link to Amazon for this particular plug. Now we'll compress it, run it right back into the mouse hole. Hey, for tips like this and others, check out our website at rvtriking.com, and please consider subscribing to our channel.